In this lecture, we'll study about some of the properties of generating function. Come to the first property. It is obvious that corresponding to c is equal to a plus b, where a and b are two numeric functions and c is the sum of the numeric functions a and b, then we have the generating function cz is equal to sum of the generating function of az and bz. Okay, so come to an example. Find the generating function of the numeric function ar is equal to 2 to the power r plus 3 to the power r, where r is greater than or equal to 0. So here we have ar is equal to 2 to the power r plus 3 to the power r, where r is greater than or equal to 0. So let us write it down, this generating function ar in the form of list. Put the value of r is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. We'll get 2 to the power r plus 3 to the power r, comma 2 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 1, comma 2 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 2 and so on, 2 to the power r plus 3 to the power r, it will be comma here and so on. Okay, now let us write it down, this numeric function in the form of generating function. So az is equal to 2 to the power r plus 3 to the power r into z to the power 0 plus 2 plus 3, or you might 2 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 1 is into 3 to the power 1 plus 2 square plus 3 square z square 2 to the power r plus 3 to the power r, we have z to the power r and so on. Okay, now let us separate the value of 2 one side and the value 3 another side. So we'll get 2 to the power 0 z to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1 z to the power 1 2 square z square plus 2 to the power r z to the power r plus and so on. Then writing down the value of 3 here, three square z square plus up to 3 to the power r z to the power r and so on. Okay, now we can write it down in simple form. This is nothing but 1 plus 2z plus 2z square 2z to the power r. Similarly, it is 1 plus 3z to the power 2 plus 3z to the power r, so on. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 divided by 1 minus 2z plus, and this one is nothing but 1 divided by 1 minus 3z. So this is the final value of the generating function az. So this 1 divided by 1 minus 2z we got from this formula. And so on. Okay, so this is the answer, we got it here. Okay, so az is equal to 1 minus 2z plus 1 minus 3z. Come to another example. Find the numeric function corresponding to the generating function az is equal to, so this is, we have given a generating function, now we'll find the numeric function. Okay, so this is the reverse. Az is equal to 2 plus 3z minus 6z square divided by 1 minus 2z. Okay, so let's suppose here we take 3z is common, in this two term. So this will be 1 minus 2z, okay, plus 2. Fine. Now let's suppose you can write it down like this. Plus 2 divided by 1 minus 2z. So this 2z, 1 minus 2z is cancel out. So we got 3z plus 2 divided by 1 minus 2z. Okay. So here 3z plus 2 into, so this will be 1 plus 2z whole square plus up to 2z to the power r plus and so on. Okay. Now multiply 2, so we'll get 2 plus 2 into 2z, that is 2 square z plus 2q z square plus 2 to the power r plus 1 z to the power r plus and so on. Okay. Now come to this term 3z and 2 square z. Okay, so it is nothing but az is equal to, so just simplify this particular step. So we have 2 plus 3z plus 2 square z, that is 4z, it is equal to 7z plus 2 to the power 3 z square 2 to the power r plus 1 and so on. Okay, so see here, this is the value of a0, this is the value of a1, a2 and so on. Okay, so see here, when the value of a0 is 2, the value of a1 is 7, the value of a2 is 2 to the power 3, the value of ar is 2 to the power r plus 1. Okay, so it is very clear here, ar is equal to, the value of ar is equal to 2 when r is equal to 0, the value of ar is equal to 7 when r is equal to 1. Okay, and the value of ar is equal to 2 to the power r plus 1, so this one 2 to the power r plus 1 and r is greater than equal to 2. Okay, so this is the answer, we got it, and this is the equivalent answer, we got it here. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.